What's today, the 13th?
Yeah.
Today is March 13th. Look.
Are you recording already?
Yeah.
Okay.
Watch them fly away.
Right. No,
This camera can't see it.
Alright, let's go. Let's show them how the cool people do it.
How cool people do it.
Let's get attacked.
And we go to the hospital.
Watch Stephanie get attacked.
I think it's taller than you. Uh-oh. It's running away. Give it bread. Give it some chicken curry. Look, she's like right next to it. It's gonna fly away. We need food. Oh. Yeah. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Birdie, look. I got grass. Wait, give me some grass.
Do you hear them?
Grass? Grass. It's food. It's called salad.
Wait, are you still recording?
Yeah.
Okay. They're hearing my way now.
Salad. You want some tomato? Your head looks like a tomato. Well, what are you gonna do? Run into the fence?
I'm pretty sure he can
Jump
fly
over? Well, they're just walking towards it. I'd be gone by now.
What if they run and they like chase us back?
What if we just like, what if it like jumps over the fence? You could be a hurdler.
Hurdler?
Yeah, look, salad!
Turtle!
Oh my god, what's it doing? They're like, oh shit, we're cornered. No, 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 no. No. Yeah, you screwed, bro. Uncle, I need a pet.
What if they look? They're gonna corner us.
Oh shit! Now we got cornered. Look at Alfonso. Uncle, I told you to buy me a puppy and you said no, so I have to get a bird.
What?
Yeah, I told you to buy me a puppy and you said no. So
Little birds alone. They're like my height. They're my people.
Leave the birds alone.
So can I have a puppy?
No.
Can I have
Oh my god.
Can you have a
a
what?
tiger?
Can I have a zebra?
I wonder about you.
Bye bye. Look, they're waiting for us. It's our dates to prom. Will you go to prom with me?
Hey, will you go to prom with me?
I want that one.
You will go to prom with me.
Wait, this one's coming back.
They're like African.
If I had, ew, it pooped. Deborah's like all over there. She's like, oh god, we're gonna die. Okay.
I want to be your friend, please.
Wait, hold on.
Okay.
I'm gonna go and chase them. Okay, that's Natasha going to chase the birds. They're running away! Ding, 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 ding.
That's Deborah.
We're following the birds. Say goodbye, birdie. Bye, birdie.
Bye, prom date.
Do, do, do.
No one else will take me.
I'm gonna go into your face. I was gonna say I'm gonna come into your face.
My name is Tyler, and this is Alex. He in our road to shoot because he going to the Air Force, shooting people up in a plane sizes, I don't know. Buses right around, you don't know how we go. What you finna do? What you think you wanna do? Riding around, choppers going, what you wanna do? Miss Bajo getting mad, so I gotta hit the track. But I'll be back soon with another mix tape. Fuck off! Watch out for you. Tyler just hit the floor.
Wait, what happened? Did you fall? He like fall by himself.
Did you fall? Wait, I got you. Oh, move nuts. Okay. Ready? This shit don't get fun. Yeah. Okay, I got something better. Okay, yeah, let's go. I didn't like it. We're such idiots. Okay, girl, we gotta find t-shirts. We gotta find t-shirts. Look at this. Look. Okay. Caramel and marshmallow
plus chocolate.
and chocolate. It's so good. Oh my god. Yay, she likes it.
So good.
Yeah. Oh. Oh yeah, that is it. Oh, 13. Oh. 13 what? For 3? What am I going to read now? So I need to get my receipt. And I was
Is it on?
yeah, wait, let me see. Yeah. Okay. So let's get my receipt. It's like in this trash can.
In this trash can.
Yeah, and so I went to like Walgreens, and I was like this, and then it like went like that.
I don't know what I'm gonna do with it.
And then he's like, are you okay?
And then he mentioned, "Are you okay?" How idiotic stuff.
Yeah.
So today was a fail.
Today was a fail. Not you, because it goes like that, and you can't switch it.
So today was a fail.
Okay. Today was a fail.
Buying t-shirts, and we're about to go get 26 cents back.
My mom's like, call me when you're done. I'll pick you up. Okay. Let's do so. Look at this. Okay, I can't get it off. Milk chalk, not chocolate.
Chalk coated.
Coated. That's what it's called. $3.
Natasha, I think you just need to work here. Your husband would like it.
Are you hiring?
I'm not sure, but you just go to Walgreens.com and just put an application.
Yay.
Yay! Then we can get discount.
Poor guy. Anyway. Oh, look at this. Molasses
Cookies.
$1.
Not appetizing.
Yeah, they don't look good. Good. Oh. Nice.
Chocolate covered pretzels.
Chocolate pretzels.
Gotta do it.
Look at it. It's all like
Where is it? Girl, we should have just walked out of here by now.
Is your dad here?
Yes.
Oh. Just fine, never mind.
Okay, this is Natasha's fail of getting 26 cents.
And another one. I dropped it.
Just tell him to give it to you.
Okay. I'm on speaker. No, I'm not speaker. I'm mute. But, yeah. So today was a fail because I never got the shirts that I went to Walgreens for, and I didn't get to really do anything, and my teacher totally kicked me out of class, and I didn't do anything wrong. Today was a fail. So hopefully tomorrow will be better, and tomorrow, like, I'm about to charge my camera right now. Tomorrow will be a better vlog day because I'm gonna make interesting things happen.